Hi guys, welcome to the barb shop. This is Amol. Today we are going to talk about how to keep the car cool and how to keep the car cooler faster when the car is standing in hot sunlight. First, once you get into the car in during hot sunlight, roll down all the windows. Once all the windows are rolled down, start the AC. Move a little bit ahead. After some time, once the hot air blows outside, start engage the compressor. Once the compressor is engaged, keep the temperature at the lower level, and once the car starts cooling, then maintain the desired temperature which you want. Second, install high quality sun control films on all the glasses of your car. So these sun control films protects the car from UV rays. It protects and obstructs maximum temperature inside the car, which makes the car around 3 to 4 degrees less cooler compared to the outside temperature. Also, it will avoid generating toxic fumes inside the car which are injurious to health. And lastly but not the least, during night drivings also, it will also obstruct the reflections of the other cars coming on directly to the glasses. So these are the advantages of sun films. So if you do such things, the car remains cooler. Also, if you have a budget, you can also install high quality films or paint sunroof protection films for your sunroof. This will also protect the heat which is coming inside the car. Thank you.